Okay, so today we can use BrainPop to simulate a circuit since we aren't able to actually go into a STEM lab. I don't really think it matters. Let's go ahead and just choose Intro. So we have lots of fun options here. We need to start off with a light bulb, so you can drag and drop it. And then we need a power source, so we will use a battery to do that. So if we're going to make a simple circuit, we'll just need some wires to connect to the battery, and I'm just using my mouse pad to do all this. Drag a wire. So this is as simple as it gets, and boom, we lit it up. If I want to disconnect, I can cut it like that. Just clicked on it and cut it. Alright, and then it has really fun other stuff like switches right here, so I can connect here and see right here my switch shows that my circuit is open, meaning that it's not going to turn on because there's an opening where the electricity cannot flow. If I want to close the circuit, boom, it works. So we can open and close the circuits to show the flow of electricity. Alright, I'm going to cut that again. I'm going to get rid of my switch for now. And it has all these awesome things that we can use as insulators or conductors, and we can test them out. So like right here, a dollar bill, made of paper. So I'm already thinking, I know paper is not a good conductor, so this is an insulator and my light bulb does not light up. I can cut that out of here. A paper clip though. A paper clip is made of metal. So I'm thinking because it is made of a metal, it will light up the light bulb, and it does because it is a good conductor of electricity. So you can try all these things. There's coins, erasers, pencils, a hand, a dog. I think that's as far as it goes. But definitely maybe quiz yourself and see, what do I think? Do I think an eraser is going to be a good insulator or a conductor before you try it? So this is just a fun way to test things out. If we were in person, all of us were in person, we would make our own circuits, but that's not the case right now. So this is a resistor, so it looks like it makes the light a little bit less. So you can just have fun trying out different things with circuits here.